Is your Fire Stick remote blinking yellow? Then you are at the right place. Here is how to fix the issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Check the remote batteries. If your Fire Stick remote is flashing a yellow light and not responding as it should, then this indicates connectivity issues. To fix the first, ensure that the batteries in your remote are fresh. Replace the batteries if they are old or depleted. Once you have replaced the batteries, check if the remote works as expected. Method 2. Pair the remote. When the yellow light blinks on your Fire Stick remote, it generally indicates that your Fire TV remote isn't paired. To pair the remote, restart your Fire TV device and wait for the cannot detect your remote message to appear on the screen. Once the message appears on the screen, press and hold the home button on the remote for 5 seconds to pair it again. Check if it is working now. Method 3. Move the remote closer. Move your remote closer to your device. If the TV is far away and there are obstructions in between the devices, then the remote may not work properly and start blinking lights. The devices should be within 10 feet or about 3 meters. Other electronic devices, metal objects, or walls can interfere with the signal. So, remove any object in between the devices and check if that works. Method 4. Disconnect Bluetooth devices. Sometimes the connected Bluetooth device can interfere with the device and cause issues. Ensure that there are no other Bluetooth devices nearby that might interfere with the connection. Turn off any unnecessary Bluetooth devices. Once done, check if this could fix the issue. Method 5. Use an HDMI extender. If your Fire Stick is plugged directly into the back of your TV, it might be too close to the TV's body, which can interfere with the remote signal. Using an HDMI extender can help position the Fire Stick in a better location. Method 6. Reset the Fire TV remote. The next thing you can do is reset the Fire TV remote. Unplug your Fire TV from the power supply and HDMI input. Then wait 60 seconds. Press and hold the left, menu and back button simultaneously for about 12 seconds. Release the buttons and wait 5 seconds. Remove the batteries from your remote. Plug in your Fire TV and wait until you see the screen indicating the remote cannot be detected. Reinsert the batteries into your remote. Press the home button. Your remote is paired successfully. If not, press the home button for 10 seconds. And there you have it, the ways to fix the issue when Fire Stick remote is flashing yellow. We hope one of the methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know about the video. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.